Welcome to 4A Chermside Road, a beautiful home that's been in the same family since 1973. Here we're positioned on 809 square metres, just a stone's throw from the CBD of Ipswich. There is some work to be done here, so if you fancy yourself a bit of a renovator, this could be the one for you. And there you have it, a great price, great position, great potential, and a great shed. This beautiful family home truly has it all. Give me a call if you'd like to book an inspection. Alex Barrow from First National.
Let's live our dream. Summertime, get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand. Just you.